Did you know your baby's first hearing test takes less time than making a cup of tea? Let's talk about how this simple test can make a lifetime of difference. Hi all parents, one of the first and most important tests your newborn will have is the hearing screening. Now, many parents worry, will it take long? Will it hurt? Here's the good news. It's quick, safe, and completely painless. The newborn hearing test usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. In fact, if your baby is calm or asleep, it might be done even faster. The test uses tiny earphones or soft sensors to check how your baby responds to sound. Most babies sleep right through it. At Hears App, we make the whole process super smooth. Our trained audiologists use the latest equipment, and you can even book your baby's hearing screening right from home through our app or website. Remember, the earlier hearing issues are detected, the better your child's speech and language development will be. So, if your baby hasn't had the hearing checked yet, don't wait. Book your newborn's hearing test today with Hears App because early hearing means early learning.